Fail-proof white sauce pasta for beginners. Cooking like a pro is difficult, but avoiding failure is easy. This recipe isn't for culinary experts, but for beginners who want to succeed without mistakes. Ingredients: 200 ml milk, 20 ml cooking oil, flour approx. 1. Making the white roux. Why oil instead of butter? Butter can clump easily, requiring constant, vigorous stirring, which increases difficulty. Using cooking oil makes it much easier to mix with flour before applying heat. Mix the oil and flour in a pan while it's still cold. Do not preheat. Set the heat to low-medium and let it sit for about 2 minutes to remove the raw flour smell. Tip: never go above medium heat to avoid burning. Slowly increase the heat to keep it under control. Once the roux starts forming light bubbles in one corner, let it cook for another 2 minutes. Pour in the 200 ml of milk. Stir over low heat until it thickens. Ensure you stir constantly to prevent clumping. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2. Boiling the pasta. Boil the pasta according to your preference, 9-11 minutes. Crucial: add salt to the boiling water to season the pasta itself. Don't forget this, as it builds the base flavor. 3. Sautéing the onions. Slice the onions into strips rather than dicing them. Sauté in medium heat for at least 5 minutes. This creates a rich body for the sauce and adds a depth of flavor that complements the white sauce. Add 2 ladles of pasta water to the onions and simmer for 1 minute. This helps emulsify the sauce later, making it easier to integrate with the pasta. 4. Combining everything. Add the pasta to the onion and sauce mixture. Pro tip: don't add too much pasta. A good ratio is 150 gram, 200 gram of sauce for every 100 gram of dry pasta. Mix everything well so the onion-infused oil and the white sauce coat the noodles perfectly. 5. Chef's notes and improvements. The missing link. The dish felt like a high-end soup, rich and flavorful, but it lacked a touch of acidity. Adding a bit of Dijon mustard would have provided that refreshing tang to balance the richness. Seasoning. To perfect the dish, ensure you season each step: the sauce, the pasta water, and the onions individually. Consistency: while you can dice the onions directly into the sauce, sautéing them separately is better for 1 or 2 servings, as it builds a much deeper flavor profile. Conclusion: creating the best recipe is hard, but mastering a fail-proof recipe is well within your reach. Keep the pasta portion in check, season every step, and you'll end up with a delicious restaurant-quality meal.